Hello everyone, this clip I wanted to show you how I remove my makeup, and this is what I use. I use this Max the white out for the makeup remover. So simple and easy, and I'll show you how it just review and see if it's really cleaning up. So I'm gonna start with my lipstick first. I think it cleaned up pretty good. And here, so that's a lipstick cleaning. So now I'm gonna use the other one and gonna it's a little dry, so I'm gonna clean them out. I wet it a little bit though. I'm just gonna do half side first because I'm using some eyeliner too, so I wanted to make sure my eye is getting cleaned up. So far, this is the side that I use, and it's not really wipe off my eyeliner. And plus, I put the glue on it too, because I put a extended eyelashes. See, it's not really clean. Still have some residue on it. So, but this is what it came out. I think I'm gonna do the other side too, since this one is not gonna work. So, see, I think it's clean pretty good. I forgot how much I bought it. I bought it from Macy. I'm gonna use the other one for this side. And here it is. This came out really good. Just one wipe. There you go. Here the eye stuff. God, I can see the glue coming out. I got my mirror up here though. So that's pretty much, I think my whole face is getting clean off the makeup. But I need to use a little bit of water on this white. If I use it all on this pack, I probably not gonna. Probably try a different makeup remover because it doesn't seem working good with my skin. Tight, kinda so hard to clean up the eye. So you still have a little so far. I used one, and that's my third one, and my first one with the lip. So I used 3, and this is my 4th. I really wanted to get really clean. Oh gee, finally it came out. It's like a big chunk of a glue. And this is the other side that I still have a problem. It's not even want to come out. See? Okay, finally, I have to use a little fingernail helping. It's still though. Yeah, I think I got every single piece of it. And that's it. After I clean all this, I use the very last one so far. You know what? It's run out too. Good time. So I'm gonna use my, this is my last white that I'm gonna clean it off. After everything is really clean up. And that's pretty much, I think it's pretty clean. I know it because see if turn out it's like all white. So now I know my face is ready to put a night cream on. So far I use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I use 5 of them. And I happened to buy this one yesterday and this one from Nordstrom, and I put this one in the morning and then at night I use a different one. So this is really like, I don't know yet, but when I know it, I'll let you know and I'll review it because I just put it on this morning. So we'll see. I think I'm gonna try it for about a week or 10 days and see what result is. So this is my, I just use this, and I'm sure there's a lot of girl out there know good stuff. I know I might put it too much, but that's pretty much it. And I just go sleep like this. No, I'm just kidding. Got you, huh? Anyway, so then it's still, I don't know, people out there say you can do it clockwise and reverse it and whatever, but I pretty much just paint it on here. I don't use an eye cream or nothing, just that one. And sometimes I switch it over to a different one too. But this week I want to use this one because my house have a snow and my skin is super thirsty, super dry. So you can say it's a little shiny because I put lots on it. But I want my skin looks nice and firm in the morning and no thirsty, and then have it rest for a night. So that's pretty much it. You finish the clip about cleaning up, face up, and lotion on for the nighttime. Good night, everybody. Thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe or follow me on YouTube. My channel is Meow the Movie in America. Thank you.